Nomad line of portable solar panels is built tough for mobile base camps and off-grid adventures. The Nomad 50 and Nomad 100, the largest in the line, are perfect for longer trips when you need more power without sacrificing packability. The versatile 4-panel design makes it easy to unfold and collect solar power while stationary, then quickly pack down to easily stow in your vehicle while on the move. Pair the Nomad 50 and the Nomad 100 with any of our Yeti power stations or medium-sized power banks to keep laptops charged, run portable fridges, and power all your essential electronics. You are also able to direct charge your USB devices with the included USB-A port. Both feature 4 monocrystalline panels sealed in a protective enclosure, attachment loops that allow you to strap the panel to vehicles, tents, and more, built-in charging cables for Goal Zero Yeti power stations, Sherpa power banks, and USB devices, and an integrated mesh case keeps cables organized and protected. The Nomad 50 comes with built-in 8mm chaining capabilities, allowing you to chain up to 3 Nomad 50 panels for a total of 150 watts. For the Nomad 100, use the Goal Zero 4X 8mm combiner cable to chain up to 4 Nomad 100s into our larger Yeti power stations. Whether you're heading out on an extended expedition or you want to have some portable solar power on hand in an emergency, our Nomad portable solar panels are ready to help you power anything.
In this video, we will be showing how to connect the EcoPower Proteus X solar charge controller to a battery and solar panel. The Proteus X is a waterproof 20-amp PWM charge controller meant for 12 or 24-volt systems and can handle up to 12 volts at 360 watts or 24 volts at 720 watts. The first step needed to set up the Proteus X is to connect it to a 12 or 24 volt battery. The controller will turn on once connected to the battery. A blue LED will turn on, indicating the battery is connected. The next step is to set the battery type. The controller can charge 8 different battery types: lead crystal, lithium-ion, LiFePO4, LTO, gel, AGM, wet, conventional lead acid, and calcium battery. To change the battery type, hold the battery type button down for approximately 3 seconds. the battery type icon will flash. Press the battery type button until the desired battery type is displayed, then release the button when the desired battery type is displayed. After a few seconds, the highlighted battery type will be set as your chosen battery type. For example, we will select gel. The final step is to connect the solar panel. We will use this adapter kit to connect the panel to the Proteus X. Once the panel is connected, the PV red light will turn on. This lets us know that the controller is charging normally. We hope this video has helped you familiarize yourself with our Proteus X charge controller. For any other questions regarding the unit,
we started with a simple idea, that human potential should never be limited by lack of resources. We wanted a way to help people better their own lives. Our very first products were a simple battery, solar panel, and LED light that help people lift themselves out of difficult circumstances, providing them with the basic means to improve their lives.